Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X2 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to a printer. First of all, open Settings, then choose Connection and Sharing, tap on Print over here, and finally Default Print Service. If you wish to use it, you can tap on this sweater if it's not already on, right away and wait. If you don't, you need to click on it, disable Default Print Service and go back. Now tap on Add Print Service instead and install the best one for you, in my case HP one. When your printing service is ready, you need to go back by tapping on the back button twice. Then click on your service over here and tap on this sweater if it's not already on. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!